Hi guys, you're welcome back to this step-by-step guide on how you can deposit SUI into your OKX wallet from your Bitget account. You're going to learn how you can be able to withdraw your SUI from your Bitget account and then deposit it into your OKX wallet. So guys, it's very easy to do. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step is to make sure you have SUI in your Bitget account. So guys, in case you don't have SUI in your Bitget account, you don't need to bother yourself because I've actually made a dedicated video on how you can buy SUI directly from your Bitget account. It's very easy. What you have to do is that after you're done watching this video, just go over to the description of this video or over to the comment section. I'm going to be leaving the video link right there. What you have to do is to tap on the link. They'll be able to watch and learn how you can buy SUI directly from your Bitget account. It's very easy. Once you've been able now to get SUI in your Bitget account, then you're good to go. So guys, let me go ahead now to show you guys my SUI, the SUI I have in my Bitget account. Let me tap on assets. Let me tap on it real quick. So let me go ahead now to tap on spot at the top. Let me tap on spot. You can see the balance of my SUI. I have 0.999 SUI. You can see it right there. So guys, now once you have SUI, you're going to find it here in your spot account. So guys, what you have to do right now in order to actually withdraw this SUI and then deposit it into your OKX wallet is to tap on where you can see withdraw. You can see it right there at the top. The arrow is pointing at it. You have to tap on it. So let me tap on withdraw right away. So guys, now you can see it's loading up. So guys, what you have to do right away now is to tap on crypto. You can see that crypto is already selected at the top. You can see it right there. Then what you have to do now is to look for SUI among these cryptos right here. But in case you can't find it right here, you can simply use the search icon at the top. So let me tap on the search icon. Then after that, what I have to do now is to type in SUI. So let me type in SUI, SUI. And let me tap on search. So guys, now you can see the search result right there. So what you can simply do is to tap on it to open it. You can see there. Let me tap on SUI. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's written here, select withdrawal type. So what you have to do now is to tap on the first one, which is on-chain withdrawal. You can see it right there, the first option. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see here's the next step. This is where you're going to be able to do the withdrawal and get the SUI deposited into your OKX wallet. So guys, now you can see at the top the SUI is selected, the crypto SUI is selected, which is actually correct. And the next one there is withdrawal network. You can see it right there. The withdrawal network is actually SUI. It's still SUI. So guys, now you can tap on it now to see it. Let me tap on it. You can see SUI is already selected. So let me tap on it. You can see it right there. SUI is already selected as the withdrawal option. Then the next one there is the withdrawal address. So guys, what you have to paste there is your SUI address, which you copied from your OKX wallet. So what you're going to do is to go over to your OKX wallet, then you copy your SUI wallet address, your SUI deposit address. You're going to be needing that address because that's where you're going to be depositing this SUI into. We're going to be depositing it into your SUI address on OKX wallet. So guys, what I will do now is to go over to my OKX wallet to get the SUI deposit address. So let me minimize real quick. Let me go and get it. So guys, now you can see I'm on my OKX wallet. Here's the home page. So what you have to do now is to scroll down. So let me scroll down. So guys, now you can see where it is written crypto. You have to tap on crypto. You can see crypto is already selected. Then what you have to do now is to look for SUI within these cryptocurrencies right here. You can see there are a list of cryptocurrencies right here. You have to look for SUI. But in case you can't find it, just like I can't find it, what you have to do now is to add it up right here under the crypto section. You can actually add it up under this crypto section by tapping on that menu icon on the right hand side. You can see it's right there. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, what you have to do right away now is to tap on the search icon at the top. You can see it right there. The arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. Then what you have to do right away now is to type in SUI. You have to search for SUI. So let me do that real quick. SUI. So guys, now you can see SUI right there at the top. The arrow is pointing at it. So guys, now for you to add it up to that crypto section, what you have to do now is to tap on the plus icon on the right hand side. You can see it right there. The arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see added. It has been added now to that crypto page. So let me go back now to the crypto page. Let me go back, then let me refresh real quick. Let me refresh this home page. So it's done refreshing now. Let me go back now to the crypto. Let me go to the crypto. So guys, now you can see crypto is already selected, and under the crypto you can now find SUI. You can see it right there. The arrow is pointing at it. You can see my SUI balance. I have 1.0789 SUI. You can see it right there. So guys, now this I can be able to find your SUI here in your OKX wallet. So let me show you guys how I can be able now to copy your SUI deposit address right here. So guys, to do that you have to tap on SUI right away. So let me tap on SUI real quick. So guys, now this way you're going to be able to copy your SUI deposit address. You can see where it is written my address. Right there is your SUI address, and for you to copy it, you have to tap on the copy icon on the right hand side. So let me tap on it real quick. So guys, now you can see at the top, receiving address copied. So guys, let me show you guys a second method that you can use to actually copy this your SUI deposit address. What you have to do next is to tap on the receive. You can see where it is written receive. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see it's loading up. So guys, can see down there, that's your SUI deposit address. So now for you to copy it, you have to tap on copy. So let me tap on copy on the right hand side. So guys, can see at the top again, receiving address copied. So they are both the same address, they are the same thing. This one is the same as the one we copied earlier on. So let me go back now. So guys, now since I've copied now my SUI deposit address, what I will do now is to go over to my Bitget account. So let me go over to my Bitget account again so I can paste it in the open section. So guys, now you can see we are back to the withdrawal page on our Bitget account. So what I'm going to do now is to go ahead now to paste the address I just copied now from my OKX wallet. And for me to do that, I have to tap on where it is written withdrawal address. Let me tap on it to enter it. And what I'll do now is to paste it. Let me paste it. So guys, now you can see I've been able now to paste my SUI deposit address here in my Bitget account. The next step now is to actually impute the amount of SUI that I want to deposit into your OKX wallet, the amount of SUI that I want to withdraw from your Bitget account, and then deposit it into your OKX wallet. So guys, now for you to impute it, you have to tap on where the arrow is pointing. So let me tap on it. And what you have to do now is to impute the amount of SUI that I want to withdraw and deposit into your OKX wallet. You can simply tap on where it is written all. Once you tap on all the SUI that you have in your Bitget account will reflect here. So let me tap on all. So guys, now you can see the amount of SUI that I have in my Bitget account. It is 0.999. So guys, now you can see that red notification right there. That's an important one. You can see they said the withdrawal amount cannot be less than 1. So you must have at least 1 SUI for you to be able to withdraw SUI from your Bitget account and then deposit it into your OKX wallet. As you can see here, I have almost 1, but it is not 1. You can see I have 0.9. So guys, now if you have 1 SUI, then you can be able to carry out this transaction. So guys, now once you've been able now to impute the amount of SUI that you have right here, what you can simply do is to tap on withdraw. And before you tap on withdraw, you can go ahead to check the fee. The fee is 0.05, which is actually small. 0.05 SUI is actually small. It is less than $0.3. It's very small. So guys, once you've been able now to do all of this and you've written the amount of SUI that you want to withdraw, what you have to do is to tap on withdraw. Once you tap on withdraw, the amount of SUI that you imputed will be withdrawn from your Bitget account and then deposited into your OKX wallet. So guys, it's that easy. So guys, once the withdrawal transaction has been confirmed and it has been successful, then what you have to do is to go over to your OKX wallet. Once you open your OKX wallet, you're going to see that the balance of your SUI has increased, because this SUI right here that you withdrawn from this your Bitget account will be deposited into your SUI. So guys, this is how easy you can actually withdraw SUI and deposit it into your OKX wallet. So guys, now I've come to the end of this video and I believe this video was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.